My school district has been operating under Plan B since day one. To operate under Plan B took a huge amount of time over the summer, and we are still tweaking. As part of my coaching plan, I have identified cultural leadership as an area of growth as it relates to remote and virtual learning. School districts across the country are undergoing huge culture shifts. Schools today are not the same schools that we left 6 months ago. To help ease the pain of this transition, administration at my school have decided to only focus on one new initiative this year, and that is standards-based grading. This is also another huge culture shift. The activities and action steps that I will take for this area include promoting our school mission as it relates to Plan B, recognizing our staff at least on a weekly basis, and working towards these new standards-based grading practices. So far, our school has come together to work hard on this new initiative. Many of these steps have already been implemented. It will be important to continue to have consistent conversation with teachers regarding their feelings and ideas. Everyone wants to feel valued and respected. Communication will be key to the success of this growth area for cultural leadership. In the Assistant Principal 50, question number 19 states, how does my leadership contribute to a positive school climate and culture? As I think about this question, I recognize that building those positive relationships with staff will be extremely important to reach my desired outcome and results for this goal in my coaching plan.